Oh, my poor car. Look at the road. Well, it might not snow in Florida, but you can't say it doesn't ice. Holy crap.
Oh my God, it's gonna be out of line. It's not getting it hard, so. Look at this,